Thank you very much for watching my all videos, and I welcome all of you at my Mac Forex YouTube channel. First of all, I thankful all of you for the trust on my videos, because I always try my best to bring for you the best forex indicators and expert advisor. But today the case is different. Basically today I want to tell you about the very best gold and silver robot which do automatically trade. You can see here the history. Today history gold all profit, the right side you can see here, and there is a live some trades. You can see I have already put the gold expert advisor at this system. So at these all trades you don't focus in this video, you just focus on the gold. I will teach you how this expert advisor automatically execute the trade and how automatically close all the profit with the hedging system. Basically this expert advisor is based on the hedge system, automatically execute the trade and find the trend also. For example, you can see here this first trade was executed 1752.59 and the take profit was 1753.59. It's mean the 1753, there was the 1 point there was a take profit, but market is going in worse scenario, market is going in against. So that's why this expert advisor automatically after 1 or 2 point doing the hedge for the recover the profit. But during this, the thing for understand, during this situation you can see already during these all when market fluctuate. For example, gold is at this point. For example, I want to teach you gold is at this point. If little bit fluctuation, during the fluctuation, the good thing is during the fluctuation this expert advisor automatically make a profit, because there are many expert advisor or auto system available in market. But the bad thing is this is a multiple. For example, one trade if go against the other trade will be like a higher volume. For example, there is a 0.10. The second, if market is going against the second trade, martingale expert advisor will open in the double lot, for example a 0.2 or any like a further recover. But the good thing is with this expert advisor very easily you can trade, and this expert advisor no like a double or triple lots for recover the profit. But this expert advisor automatically trade during the fluctuation. For example, market is 1743, but you can see the buy stop is not in the below side, buy stop is the upside. For example, market is now 1743, but the pending order is 1748. For example, when market hit this take profit, then the next trade will open automatically. Otherwise market will go down, and this new pending orders will open, and during fluctuation this expert advisor will make profit with gold. So thank you very much for watching my all videos. If you want this expert advisor training, you can contact with me, or you can follow me. I am the IB of XM. I have a current level of VIP level I have. You can see I want to show you. You can see here I have the VIP level. If you are a new, if you want under my IB, you can open account. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp number already given in description. You can contact with me, and at my WhatsApp number I will give you the IB link. You open account, and I will give the rebate also to the people. For example, if I get the commission $8 from the XM, if you open account under my IB, I will return back to you $4. And I will if you open account under my IB, I don't charge any kind of fee. You just open account, and I will share the different kind of good strategies also. If you want open account under my IB. Otherwise, if you want any kind of a good strategy, I have many kind of best indicators or expert advisors. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp number, and I will try my best to give you the best expert advisor or indicator as per your capital. For example, if you have a capital $100, no problem, I will teach you how you can trade with $100 with proper risk management and money management. For example, if you have $100, I suggest you open cent account or micro account, because $100 in forex market is very small amount. And if you have a $1000, then I will suggest you like a standard account also. You can trade from $1000, but minimum lot. These all things if you contact at my WhatsApp number, I will try my best to teach you with proper rules and regulation. Because when you trade in forex market with your real money, your emotions involve automatically in trading, and you many traders get lost in forex market. But if you follow the rules as per, I have make already rules, and I have and I if anybody contact with me and join my training session, I always try to teach about the rules, about the risk management, about the money management, about the capital, which capital is best and which lot is best, and how the good strategy, which is the good strategy for the trading. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can see here the history, and these all trades are open, pending orders are also open. Basically this video was only for the gold, because there are many people which only do trade with only commodities like gold, silver. They don't trade like currencies. So this video is only for gold, and how you can trade with automatically with expert advisor. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you want, you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number. Goodbye.